When you delay your salat, you are delaying any success in your life. You are delaying happiness. You are delaying marriage. You are delaying finding a job. You are delaying being successful in anything. What's the dalil? Hayya ala salah, hayya ala al-falah. I have no time. Come to salat, come to success. And I'm delaying coming to success. I'm delaying coming to success. You expect everything to be smooth and you pray whenever you want to pray? My brothers and sisters, please forgive me if I'm yelling, because wallahi I love you for the sake of Allah. And this could be my last khutbah, and this could be your last khutbah attending. Some people after I finish, Shaykh, we were screaming a lot. Go to Sahih Muslim and look. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, it said when he was giving the khutbah, his veins are bulging as if he's calling for war. This is how concerned he was about his ummah. And I'm only trying to imitate him. Make the intention that from now on, all my salawat on time.